Hello everyone, welcome back to uGenesys, and today I'll demonstrate a quick and essential technique to calculate your lot sizes in just 2 seconds. And understanding the significance of this calculation is crucial for maintaining a consistent equity curve in your trading journey. By managing your risk consistently, you'll pave the way for your trading account to grow steadily. Now, rather than relying on external resources like spreadsheets, let me show you the fastest method right here on your MT5 platform. So to begin, let's load our Market Keys Trade Manager to our chart. And from here, you can easily adjust your stop loss. Let's just put it at 20 pips and also put the risk at 5%. And then hit calculate, and you can see it automatically calculates the lots for us here, so we have 11.64 lots. And with the lot size calculated, you can make informed decisions when entering trades. And if I hit buy, then you'll see this graphical representation here on the chart where you'll be able to adjust your target and your stop loss and also the risk to reward ratio as well. And in addition to our execute tab here, we also have our manage tab to manage your trades, a stats tab to keep track of your trades, and a secure tab to prevent you from over trading. And so to get a free demo of our Market Keys Trade Manager, you can click on the link in the description to try it out before purchasing. And thanks again for watching our video, and happy trading!